Hey, привет, my fellow Duraks. Welcome to another tactical strategy tips and tricks Durak tutorial. First off, guy plays an 8. What do we do? Bro, we keep the 8. Why do we keep the 8? Because in the next round he is going to come with these 8 to us and we are going to shove it. But now it's not a good time for it. It's also not a good time to defend with the aces because they might be clever and pass the cards and I will lose them and I will regret this and maybe this will be a blunder that messes up the whole game. So we just take the cards. You can also take cards. You don't have to defend. You can also take cards actually to collect them and not collect too many, of course. Always have a stable balance in your deck and do not tend to defend everything. That will just end up pretty bad for you. So next up we're going to play a card that has already been played a lot, and that was the 6 in this case. Don't know about the 9s and the 8s. I think he's at the top right guy still has an 8, so better not play the 8. Yes. Shove the kings around. I'm not sure about the 9s. It might still be out there. And this is the last 8. So we're not going to what is with the 9? I'm not sure. Let's try to defend it. Let's try something crazy and hope that the 9 is out. Oh, that worked. But still no good. No good. Because there's still some trump cards out there that might bring trouble to me. Oh, here they are. And I'm pretty sure he also has a queen, so we're not going to play the queen next, of course. I'm not that stupid. And we are not as well, because we use our brain, we use our tactics, as always, to grind through the matches. And as just in the same match, just as the last match, we also keep 1-9, because this time I am more than sure they will come. They will come. Promise me. Promise me. Promise me. Not promise me. Promise me. Wait. Believe me. Sorry. Believe me. I lost my dictionary. Come on, play the 9. Do it! Just do it! You gotta be kidding me. Alright. I'm doing everything in my power to not play the 9. You can believe that. Yeah. Can also throw out the queen. Maybe get some better cards. More fitting. Here's the 9. Oh, I was waiting the whole time of it, and here we go. The 9 is there as expected, and this is pretty much all. This was all my tactic. Now I ran out. There's nothing to do anymore. Nothing we have in the backhand. No plan B. We're completely ruined. We're done. We can't give up. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I'm panicking. Oh god, what do I do? Oh god, oh no. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. I thought so. There's still one more 10 out there, so shoved it. So let's go for the 6 next. The lowest first. Also one of those cards that I've been played the most, and also got the 8. That was just a really lucky punch. Now I'm thinking about, could I bait for the trump ace? Yeah, it's too risky, but I should have done it, to be honest. Because now I can't play anything besides that, and now I've got to push with 2 aces. Is that enough? Yeah. I should have laid that trump 8. That was a blunder, a mistake, but you can never know. You never know. You never know. What is this now? Another half crippled match? That's just... Boys and girls, have a good night. Have a good day. Bye-bye.